3 best hair dryer. Here is the product number 3. Rusk W8 Less Professional. Rusk W8 Less 2000 watt is extremely powerful and yet lightweight. 2000 watt motor with ion generator, ceramic grill infused with Tourmaline 7 heat and speed settings with cold shot 8 feet power cord, includes 1 concentrator nozzles. This is an overall good hair dryer. I wouldn't say that it is necessarily more quiet or lighter than other hair dryers. Here is the product number 2. Conair 1875 watt dual. The Conair Ion Shine Travel Ionic Styler is compact and lightweight for easy and convenient travel. Featuring the patented twisted folding handle, this styler can fit just about anywhere. Featuring Ionic technology with 2 heat and speed settings, this styler can provide ample and even heat. The Cool Shot button makes this a versatile styler for unique hairstyles. Here is the product number 1. Babyliss Pro Babn 5548. A stellar combination of power, speed and design offers both heavy-duty 2000 watt performance and lightweight ergonomic handling. 6 heat and speed settings, a cool shot button and a concentrator nozzle provide a wide range of styling options, and the removable filter makes cleaning easy. Nano titanium with integrated ion generator. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and share.